So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this Moen. Oh, forgot the name of it. Darcy. It's a Moen Darcy widespread lavatory faucet. This was provided by the homeowner. So we've got the rough valve in, the trim is in, and we've tested it out, run a lot of water down it. We did blow it out first, took out the aerator. A lot of rust through the lines, and then some sediment, so you may end up having to use that little tool right there to take out that aerator on occasion and clean it out. And it's a funky little tool, but don't lose that, because that's what you're going to need for that faucet. So the installation that we talked about, and just so we can maybe see hopefully a picture of what's going on up there, without flipping the camera over, you can see it's a standard Moen valve over here. It's got that quick hose connect that goes over from one side to the other, hot to cold, and I can't get a picture of that without flipping the camera upside down. But that's all mounted good. It's just everything's a quick connect. Those little white tabs to the spout, white tabs over to the hot and cold valve stems, and it just depress them, slide them in place, lock them in, so they're all good. And then I did go ahead and replace the supply lines, and hopefully that video wasn't upside down. So those are yours over there, the nylon. You can take those back if you would like. And I use the Fluid Master 3/8 by half by 20-inch Fluid Master braided stainless steel supply line. So those are new. Those angle stops were installed by us at Ruffin. So those are ours as well. Those are Brass Crafts, 1/2-inch IPS by 3/8 OD. So it's all new down here. Brand new Schedule 40 P-trap. The homeowner wanted to leave as much clearance as possible underneath here, just to get things in this drawer without running into this pipe, because normally this pipe drops straight down right here, and you can see how low the trap is, so the trap would be sitting right in the middle. So what we did is we went ahead up as high as we can. You got that white nut sits up against the gray nut, so that's as high as we can go. That is a street fitting, so it's glued into that medium sweep 90, which is what I like to see on sinks, and then backing over on another one down to the P-trap. So it's all glued in. To get it apart, you would break apart that nut, and just drop the whole assembly down if you need to get into the wall and do something to clean out, or run a snake in there, whatever. But so you can see that the back of the cabinet clears that trap, and that's what the homeowner was looking for. So that's great. This cabinet is angled back, so it clears. We got plenty of room. It's as tight as it'll go. It's glued. You can see back here, it's glued as tight as it'll go back in there. So, and we did swing it to the side, just like we talked about. So, everything in here is good. Everything is working correctly. Hopefully, everything's installed correctly. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.